We often talk about artificial intelligence in the future tense, wondering who it will replace. But a major study of over 1,200 professionals shows that the future is already here, and it looks a lot different than the hype. Instead of mass replacement, we are seeing a shift in how we work. Across the general workforce, people treat AI like an eager but unreliable junior intern. They use it for grunt work, to summarize emails, and to break through writer's block. But they never trust the output blindly. Artists and creatives are using AI in a surprising way. They are not using it to make art. Instead, they use it as an admin shield. By letting AI handle invoices, emails, and basic business tasks, they buy back precious time for their actual creative work. They draw a hard line at the soul of their craft, refusing to let machines do the actual writing, composing, or designing. For scientists, the story is more complicated. They face what is called a verification tax. While AI can quickly analyze data and summarize research papers, its tendency to make things up means scientists must double-check every single line. This extra verification step often wipes out any time saved. Ultimately, the rise of AI is not devaluing human expertise, it is reshaping it. The future of work is not about machines replacing us, but about humans shifting from being the generators of work to the editors, architects, and quality controllers.